All right, everyone, welcome to my video. This is a plumber website template with built-in quote calculator. If you're a plumber and you always wanted a lead page that was done for you, that's built to drive leads to your website that you can actually get up and running in minutes without being, very technical. If you know how to copy and paste, you can get this running on your WordPress site in literally minutes. And I'm going to show you what this offers and basically all the features of this and how you can pick this up. Links are going to be directly below in the video description box or the upper right hand corner of this video itself. You can come on over, mess with this template, and everything's customizable. And if you want to pick it up, the link's going to be right here, and it's available for purchase on Etsy right here. Or if you want a custom one, you can also call me as well. So with that being said, let me show you what you get with this plumber website template with quote calculator. This is tested on WordPress, but you could probably use it on other platforms, but I can't guarantee it because I haven't tested it. But it should work on every platform that has HTML. This is a plumbing lead page kit. It includes a customer-facing quote calculator, mobile call button, service sections, fax, and WordPress Custom HTML code. And everything is editable after purchase. So this is it right here. This is the top. You can change the number right here. All this can be edited. The name of your plumbing company is going to be right here. Need plumbing help? Get a fast ballpark price before you call. And then it's got the calculator I'm going to show you. This is really cool. You're not going to find a calculator that's this good out of the box. This is a really good calculator. I'm going to show you why in a minute here. This is it right here. So basically, you're going to drive leads. When a lead comes to your plumbing website, they're going to want to obviously get a quote. This is going to warm them up, so you're going to get hot, warm leads, and then they're going to call you after they get their quote. Obviously, it's not going to be exact, but it's based off 2026 pricing, so it should give them a general ballpark figure. And then when they call you, obviously, you're going to go out there and give them a real quote. But it's basically just going to pre-qualify leads, and it's got a homeowner mode. This is set to right off the bat. This is what you're going to see when this is installed on your plumbing website. This is all the different services right here. Covers a lot of different plumbing services, as you can see here. All they do is select that. Urgency, timing, home type, single family, access difficulty, fixtures or areas affected, issue severity, material quality. Basically, all they got to fill out is this one and a few others, and it's going to give them, you got optional notes here, and it's going to give an estimate right here. And it's going to tell them a service, what it is, urgency, what they put into the calculator up here. Or lead gen tool, basically it's what it's going to be for you when you have this on your site. Gives them a low, typical, and high estimate. Tells them what affects your price. And for this one, we put a clog drain sink. Typical base price is between $150 to $350. Standard conditions apply, no additional cost factors. Your number is going to be down here. They can copy results, save a PDF, print it, and all that good stuff. Now, you can see how in-depth this is. You got a contractor mode on here. This is for you, the plumber. All you do is click contractor mode, and you can come on over here and do detailed plumbing job estimates with labor, materials, markup, and profit analysis. So you put the job name in here, customer name, address, service type, home type, and it's got, you can see all the different settings it has, labor hours. It gets pretty in-depth here. It's a very good tool to have. You got material markup, labor markup. You even got sales tax if you want to add that. And all you do is put in here, fill this out to the best of your abilities, whatever you're doing. And when you click calculate estimate, please select the service types. You got to do that first. And we're just going to do toilet replacement standard. We're going to click calculate estimate, and it tells you right there. So we didn't fill out everything, but it's going to tell you everything you filled out here, and it's going to break down pricing right here. Low, recommended, high. So this is very useful for you, not only for your customers, but also you as well to price jobs. So it's got a dual function mode, and this is all editable inside of, when you get this, you can You can actually edit the numbers and all that stuff, all this stuff. If something's a little bit off and you want to switch numbers up a little bit, you can do that inside the HTML. I got step-by-step directions to show you how to do it. It's very easy, and it'll tell you actually where to put everything if you ever want to change it. You just click Save Changes, and it'll go to your settings. You can also change the colors and all that stuff on the actual everything here. So it's totally customizable. So that's that, and then you have describe your issue, get your estimate, call for an exact quote. You're going to have a button here with your number on it. You're going to have a call button up here, one up right at the top. You're going to have a call button at the bottom in a few places, and also on mobile. I'm not going to pull this up on mobile, but if you want, when you come on over and you click the link in the video description below, you can pull this up on your mobile phone. And you're going to see a call now button right at the bottom. And that will be the call now button, what every customer will see. And most people are going to be using majority of people will be using their mobile phones when they visit, your site with this installed. So they're going to see a call button right at the bottom. So when they use this free estimate tool here, the next step is going to be call, and then that call button's right there. All they got to do is click that button, and your number is going to show up, and they can call, so you can book more jobs. So that's that, and then we're going to go down here, and I'm going to show you more right here. You got describe your issue, get your estimate, call for an exact quote, our plumbing services, and it's got all the plumbing services listed right here. These are all editable, so you can go on in there and actually edit these if you want to in literally minutes. It doesn't take very long at all. Why homeowners choose us. You can put reviews here, all that stuff. But these are all the placeholders you're going to get as soon as you check this out for yourself. But you can also edit them, obviously, with your own details. You got frequently asked questions. How much does a plumber cost per hour? Do you charge a trip fee or service call fee? How much does it cost to fix a leaky faucet? How much does a water heater replacement cost? Do you offer emergency plumbing services? And just basic questions related to plumbing in general. And these are all, you can edit these as well. Ready to get your plumbing fixed? There's a schedule a service visit button at the bottom. And this is you're watching this on desktop right now, where I'm filming this video, this tutorial demo. You can schedule a service visit here, and then you got your plumbing company name here. You put your number in, and that's that. And if you want to check this out, right below the tool right here, you can pick this up on Etsy for one low time payment of under $100. Really a steal. I got step-by-step directions how to install this. You can literally install this in seconds. All it is copying and pasting. So if you can do that, you got somebody that can do it for you. But literally anybody can do it. And if you run it on WordPress, that is ideal, because that's what it was tested on. But yeah, that's that. Awesome tool. And it's basically a built-in lead page for your site. You can use as your home page on your plumbing website to get more leads. Get people over there to use this cool calculator. And get more leads for your business. And like I said, you got that contractor mode, which is awesome for you to price out jobs as well. So you can kill two birds with one stone, basically, with this thing. And you can change the colors, like I said. I don't think I left anything out, but this is an awesome tool that you can literally, to drive a lot more leads to your site. You can look more professional, and you're going to get more calls. You got that call button at the bottom, too. Remember, on mobile. And you can come on over and check this out from your phone, like I said again, to see that in action. So if you want to check it out for yourself, links are going to be directly below. I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me a question in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.